Hi guys, this is Viviana Langhoff, jewelry designer, and I just wanted to show you a really quick and easy way to clean your silver jewelry at home. If you don't have time to get to your local jewelry store, it's really not a problem. All you need are just a couple of basic household items and you can clean all your pieces yourself. So all we're looking at today is baking soda, some aluminum foil, a basic bowl. You can also use a Pyrex. I recommend a soft toothbrush, an old one, a baby toothbrush is just fine, and a fork or some utensil to get the pieces out. So we're gonna start with some boiling water and we're gonna line our bowl quickly with just the aluminum foil. So this is gonna protect the piece, but also it reacts to the tarnish. So you're gonna fill your bowl with some warm water, so be careful of how hot that is. You might wanna let it cool. And then you're just gonna fill it simply with baking soda. I use a ton, I'm a clean freak. I always overdo product, so you can just ignore me. And just let it sit there for a minute just so everything kind of dissolves and looks really great. And then when you can, put in your pieces. We're doing 2 silver rings, and you're just gonna let it sit there, soak, and then the water is going to tarnish a little bit and it's gonna start to acquire a little bit of a smell. It's totally normal, so we're gonna check back with this in about 5 minutes. So it's starting to soak, so something that I always do to kind of move it along, I usually use a soft toothbrush. I wet it a little bit, put in the baking soda to create a paste. So I'm just gonna take out one of the pieces. And this I recommend even for gold, just scrubbing the piece with the paste, and we can already see it starting to clean up. So as you can see, the tarnish is coming off and we're seeing that bright white, and you still have a little oxidation. So again, I'm just gonna continue to keep scrubbing, keep it in that warm water baking soda mixture, and then before you know it, you have perfectly clean jewelry. So if you don't have time to get to your local jeweler, then yeah, you can just easily clean your pieces at home.